Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make Galawati Kebab. Galawati Kebab is a kebab made of minced goat. These kebabs were initially made for a 70-year-old Nawab who lost all his teeth. But his love for the kebabs made his chef to cook these super soft and juicy kebabs. These kebabs are so soft that when you place it in your mouth, it just melts. So you don't even need your teeth to break it. At the end of this recipe, I'm also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started. For this, we need 600 gram minced goat meat, 3 tablespoons raw papaya with skin, 2-inch chopped ginger, 4 chopped green chilies, 4 garlic pods, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons salt or as per taste, half teaspoon cinnamon powder, half teaspoon nutmeg powder, 2 bay leaves, half blade mace, 2 black cardamom seeds, 15 to 20 black peppercorns, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 10 green cardamom, 2 tablespoons poppy seeds, 1 fried onion, 1 cup fresh coriander, 15 to 20 mint leaves, 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons roasted ground flour and 2 tablespoons ghee. Now for the recipe, add ginger, garlic, green chilies and raw papaya in a grinder. To this, add poppy seeds, bay leaves, mace, green cardamom, cinnamon, black peppercorns and black cardamom seeds. Next, add fried onions, Kashmiri red chili powder, salt, cinnamon and nutmeg. To this, add half cup of water and grind this into a smooth paste. To this paste, add mint leaves, coriander leaves and 2 eggs. Mix everything together and grind again. Add this paste to the minced goat and mix everything together. Massage this mixture for at least 6 to 7 minutes so that the paste is evenly mixed with the minced goat. To this, add ground flour and mix. Ground flour is added to absorb the remaining moisture in the mixture and give shape to the kebabs. Next, take a scoop of the mixture and form a patty and place it on a plate. Do this for the remaining mixture and refrigerate the patties for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, add ghee to a pan and turn the flame to medium heat. Once the ghee is hot, place the goat patties on it. Once you see that the edges of the patties facing the ghee turns to a lighter shade, flip the patties, cook from the other side until golden brown. Don't overcook the patties, otherwise they will become chewy. Your Galawati kebabs are ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, on a plate add mint and coriander chutney. The recipe for this is in the description below. Place some onion rings, lemon slice, prepared patties and mint leaves. Garnish the onion rings with coriander leaves. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, place a roti on a plate. Place 2 prepared kebabs and spread it using a spoon. These kebabs are so soft that they will spread easily on the roti. Add some mint and coriander chutney on top of the kebabs and place some onion rings on top of it. Garnish with coriander and mint and squeeze lemon on top of it. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, on a plate, place 5 small rotis. Place prepared patties on top of it. On top of each patty, place an onion ring. Add mint and coriander chutney on top of each kebab and garnish the kebab with coriander leaves. Place a lemon ring at the center of the plate and place some mint leaves on top of it. Squeeze a lemon on top of the kebabs. Your plate 3 is ready to serve. Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.